Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make caramel latte muffins using Pampered Chef's caramel latte bread mix. You're going to love this. It's super quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and we're going to use some cold brew coffee in place of some of the water. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, the instructions are right on the back of the package. You're going to need 1 package of caramel latte bread mix, 2 eggs, ½ cup of water, and ½ cup of vegetable oil. We are going to substitute, instead of doing ½ cup of water, we're going to do 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of cold brew coffee. So let's go ahead and get this all mixed together. I'm also going to add in some of our super veggie enrichables just to make this a little bit better for us. So as you're joining me, I hope that you will leave a comment. Let me know if you are watching live or if you're catching the replay, where you're watching from. And don't forget to join my recipe community if you're not already a member there. You can find it at theflipflopchef.com. All right, so we've got our caramel latte bread mix in our mixing bowl here. I'm gonna take our super veggie enrichables, and I'm just gonna add in a tablespoon, what the heck, let's do 2 tablespoons of super veggie enrichables. And remember, the recipe says ½ cup of water. We're doing a 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of cold brew coffee. Pour that in, and then we need a ½ cup of oil. And I'm gonna measure that in the same measuring cup. I'm using the Easy Read measuring cup here. I love these because you just look straight down into the cup. Mix this together, and I'm gonna use a whisk. I'm gonna add 2 eggs. And then I'll tell you guys, I used our cold brew pitcher here to make this cold brew coffee, so I'll tell you about it while I am mixing up this bread mix. So our cold brew coffee pitcher comes with a coffee filter and a fruit infuser. And so in front of you here, you're gonna see the coffee filter. And to make cold brew coffee, you just need 1 cup of coffee grounds, 5 cups of water, and about 12 to 24 hours of patience. So unlike hot brewed coffee, cold brew coffee takes a lot longer, but it is always worth the wait. So to make your coffee, you're gonna fill this filter with 1 cup or so of coffee grounds. I use Cafe Bustelo. Put the little funnel cap on the top there, and then you're gonna add this into the cold brew pitcher, pour 5 cups of water over the top, and then wait 12 to 24 hours, remove the filter and discard the coffee grounds, and then you're left with cold brew coffee. You can see I need to make some more here. So I did use 1/4 cup of cold brew coffee and 1/4 cup of water for this recipe. And this is all nice and blended. So you guys can see how beautiful this is. I wish that you could smell this because it smells so good. It smells just like a caramel latte. We're gonna use Pampered Chef's muffin pan for this. I'm gonna take our new oil spritzer, which has oil, just regular vegetable oil. You don't wanna fill it any higher than this fill line right here. You're gonna pump the pressure into the bottle just like this, till it's nice and tight. And then it's gonna spray like an aerosol can, but without all those preservatives. You don't ever wanna use aerosol sprays that you buy at the grocery store because the preservatives that are in there will actually cause a really sticky buildup on all of your metal pans. So make sure you use just oil when you're doing this. When you're done with your kitchen spritzer, you're gonna burp it. So let all the air out, then tighten it back, put the cap back on, and it's ready for the next time. Now, we're gonna use our large stainless steel scoop for this. I'm gonna scoop out 1 perfect scoop for each one of these muffins. I'm gonna bake these for about 18 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it. This is the first time I've made these in muffins. The recipe has instructions on how to make this in a loaf pan. If you make it in the loaf pan, it's gonna take 45 to 50 minutes. So this is a way to cook it faster, but it's also a way to have them already portioned out. So we're just gonna scoop all of this in, and I've got the oven preheated to 350 degrees. And I wanna show you our new timer that we have, because it's pretty cool. It actually has the ability to have 4 timers all at one time. So T1, T2, T3, T4. You can set the time. So what I'll do is I'm gonna just press the minute button till I get to 18 minutes. And then when I've got these in the oven, I'm just gonna press the go button. It will start the timer and let me know when our caramel latte muffins are finished. So super quick, super easy caramel latte bread mix. I hope you guys will get this and try it in your own kitchen. You can make it in muffins. You can use our brownie pan, you can use our brownie bite pan, or you can make it in a loaf pan. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you guys taking time to watch. Don't forget to check out my recipe community at theflipflopchef.com.